Hello my friend, welcome to my channel Fox Drawing Skills.
In this video we draw characters based on the game The Garden of Banban. Watch the video up to the end and you will see the drawing process step by step.
In order for the paint to spread beautifully, you need to moisten the selected area with a brush well.
I moisten the entire figure and now apply bright paint all over the edge.
Watch my videos, share with friends and draw with me. Write in the comments if you like my drawing.
I want to add details and darken some areas.
Look how beautiful it turns out. Write in the comments if you like my drawing. Hope to see you soon on my new tutorials. Let's draw together again. Click and watch my next video on my channel, much more interesting.